Hello guys and welcome to another YouTube video. Today I'll be showing you how do you fix the direct message option not working on TikTok. So what do you do in case that is not working? So there are a couple of things that you might want to do before we go to the real thing that I'm going to discuss later on. The first one is that you can always make sure that your TikTok is up to date. Like for example, if I go to my app store, you see it says the update here, and I can update my app and it could fix it. So I'm not saying definitely would, but I'm saying it's worth a shot. The other thing to do is you can uninstall and reinstall the app. Sometimes that helps as well, and on Android phones you can clear the cache as well. So once you're done messing around with these settings, the next thing, the what I want you to do is I want you to open your TikTok, and then I'm gonna want you to go to your settings and privacy that comes from your profile on the top right. Right now we're gonna scroll down and we're gonna find this support and about section, and we're gonna go to report a problem. Once you're done that, we're gonna go find anything that says direct message. Like here it is. I'm gonna go there, and now it says here on the top direct messaging is no longer available. So it's kind of a common issue because it's like readily available here on TikTok itself. So you can select this. Maybe they're aware of why this is happening. So you need to select no here because your problem exists and it's not resolved yet. So I'm gonna press no, and usually you can just press need more help and you can give them a feedback, and you can just put in more information as to why what's going on, or like you can attach a screenshot and you can ask them to view the screenshot and that it is not available and you would like to have it fixed. And most probably they're going to reach you out and they're going to try their best to solve this issue. So that is pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.